Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into two popular options for small space washing machines: the WonderWash portable washing machine and the portable mini washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out. The WonderWash features a charming retro design that is both compact and visually appealing, making it a great addition to any small space. In contrast, the portable mini washing machine boasts a modern, foldable design that enhances its portability, making it ideal for travel or limited storage. Both designs cater to different aesthetic preferences and practical needs. The WonderWash operates manually, allowing users to control the washing process without electricity, which can be a great eco-friendly option. However, it may require more effort compared to the portable mini washing machine, which features user-friendly controls and 3 cleaning modes, making it easier to operate for various laundry needs. The WonderWash is priced at $55, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the portable mini washing machine is priced at $79, reflecting its upgraded features and added functionality. Depending on your needs and budget, each option offers distinct advantages. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the portable mini washing machine have their unique strengths. The WonderWash offers a retro charm and affordability, while the portable mini washer provides modern features and ease of use. Consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the best small space washing machine for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.